So this is a quick video looking at the Goodson's Hobbies scalar trailer utility bed option. Fairly easy to assemble. You'll need some M2x8 self-tapping screws. The sides, front, and tailgate all print separately. You'll just need this to screw into the new uprevved frame. It's a frame R1. I didn't really want to have to make a new frame, but this seemed like the easiest way to attach everything. So print your new frame, and you can attach the sides and the front frame pieces with M2x8s. And then you'll put another one here and here. The hinge for the tailgate is all a printed piece. There's no additional wire needed, like the door on the Overland utility box. I'm using some body clips to hold it on, or to hold it together. And you can see it moves fairly easily. I wanted to use something that everyone probably has in their toolbox already, so I figured the body clips were pretty easy. I'm using the round tail light option on my build here. There's also an oval, and I decided to use the expanded steel look printable pieces for the bottom, for the floor, and for the back. Now, for the back, to attach it, I used a soldering iron, kind of, I'll say, spot plastic welded it all along to kind of attach it. I thought this gave it a little bit more realistic look. If there's interest, I could make this all printable one piece. However, you're gonna not get the expanded steel over this. You'll have just this line for the L channel look piece all the way through. Also gonna have some optional sides and front pieces available that'll be printable. I'll show you a quick picture here. And those should be available shortly. I'd love to see someone do like a balsa floor. I'm actually probably going to pick up some balsa wood myself, put a balsa wood floor in this. There's also, I guess, worth mentioning, you can have your tag holder, your license plate bracket on this side, or this side. There's two different printable pieces for that. Have fun building your scalar trailer.